Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on your XIAOMI 17T Pro. First, what you guys want to do is toggle Wi-Fi off and on in these settings. This is very important because this is a quick restart. So we're going to go over into the Wi-Fi, turn it off and turn it on. What are we going to do next is we're going to reconnect. And we're gonna forget and reconnect to the same network. So as you guys can see, we got the first network that I need to forget, and the second one says I got two networks here. Now we're gonna connect to it and we're gonna enter the password, click on connect, and as you guys can see, we're back. So if that did not help, I would recommend let's quickly go back. We're gonna go and make sure that the network acceleration does not have dual band Wi-Fi speed boost enabled. Sometimes it is glitchy and it can just mess up your speeds. We don't want it. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna restart our router and a phone. So to restart the router, all you need is to turn the switch off and on. This is a restart, we don't want to reset it. But for the phone, you press the power button, volume up button, and swipe down to reboot. Now the phone is restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once it is done. After the restart, what we're going to do is we're going to check for software updates. So we need to go to settings, and here in the settings we need to click on about phone right at the top, click on HyperOS, and it is checking for the latest version right here. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.